Welcome back to our channel, Design Lovers. Today we're exploring the stunning appeal of modern concrete kitchens paired with the serenity of integrated indoor courtyards. Imagine a space where industrial elegance meets the tranquility of nature. Let's dive into the stylish and seamless design that is reshaping the heart of the home. Concrete may seem like a bold choice for a kitchen, but its beauty lies in its simplicity and versatility. The texture and color of concrete surfaces create a neutral, yet sophisticated backdrop for any design. Paired with an indoor courtyard, you get the perfect combination of modern minimalism and natural warmth. The integration of an indoor courtyard brings in fresh air, natural light, and a sense of calm, blurring the boundaries between the indoors and outdoors in a beautiful way. The layout of these kitchens is all about flow. Spacious, open-concept designs connect the kitchen to the courtyard. Allowing for a natural indoor-outdoor transition. Whether you're cooking, entertaining, or just enjoying a peaceful moment, this layout enhances the way you live. Large floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding doors are key to achieving this fluidity. They invite natural light and open up the kitchen to the beauty of the courtyard, making the space feel even larger and more inviting. One of the most exciting aspects of concrete is how its texture and color play off other materials in the space. From raw, industrial tones to more polished and sophisticated finishes, concrete can be customized to complement any style. Pairing concrete with warm wood, soft fabrics, and metallic accents like brass or gold adds depth and contrast to the design, balancing the coolness of the concrete with a cozy, inviting feel. Furniture selection is essential for enhancing the indoor-outdoor experience. Choose pieces that echo the natural feel of the courtyard, such as wooden dining tables, lightweight chairs, and neutral textiles that bring softness to the concrete surfaces. Bringing elements from the courtyard into the kitchen like potted plants, natural fibers, and wooden accents creates a cohesive design where nature and modernism blend effortlessly. The magic of these kitchen designs lies in their ability to create an effortless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Whether it's entertaining guests or just enjoying some quiet time in your courtyard haven, this design is all about balance. The stylish modern concrete kitchen with an integrated courtyard is not just about functionality, it's about creating a space that inspires, soothes, and brings the beauty of nature into your everyday life. Thank you for joining us today. If you're as inspired by this modern kitchen design as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more design ideas that transform your home. And as always, let us know in the comments how you'd incorporate an indoor courtyard into your space. See you next time.